Hello everyone, this is Talil Priya of ECEC. My roll number is 20BQ1A04G6. Today I am going to tell about the batteries. A battery is a storage device which uses to convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Battery consisting of two or more electrochemical cells connected together electrically in series. These batteries are connected in series electrochemically. Batteries acts as a portable source of chemical energy. Batteries are of three types. First one is primary batteries or primary cells. Secondary batteries or secondary cells. Third one is fuel cell. First one is primary battery cells. These are irreversible cells. These cells reactions are highly irreversible. The products established in these cells are highly stable. Examples of primary cells or primary batteries are Lagrange cell, lithium manganese O2 cell, lithium SOCl2 cells. Now secondary cells or secondary batteries. These cells are reversible cells. The cell reactions in these cells are highly reversible. The products established in these cells are relatively unstable. Hence, these cells are rechargeable and can be reused. These cells are functioning like electrochemical cells. Each discharge mechanism, electrolytic cells, charging mechanism. Examples of secondary batteries or secondary cells are lead acid storage cell, nickel cadmium cell, NiH2Cl cell, zinc air cell, etc. The third one is fuel cell. Fuel cell is a kind of electrochemical cells in which chemical energy of fuel is directly converted into electricity. The principle in this fuel cell is fuel plus oxidant gives rise to oxidation products plus electricity. Example, H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O plus electricity. Examples of these fuel cell are H2O2 fuel cell, CH3OH fuel cells, etc. Now let us discuss difference between primary cells and secondary cells. In primary cells, first these are irreversible, whereas secondary cells are reversible. The cell reaction is highly reversible. That means we can use again and again these batteries of primary cells. Whereas secondary cells, once we use it, we cannot use it again. So the cell reactions in these cells are highly reversible. The property established in these cells are highly stable in primary cell. Whereas in secondary cell, these are unstable. Hence, the cells are rechargeable and can be reused. Here, primary cells are we cannot use it again. In secondary cells are we can use many times. So, in these cells functioning like electrochemical cells while charging. That means while discharging electrochemical cell mechanism and while charging electrolytic cells mechanism in case of secondary cell. Whereas in fuel cells, it is different from primary and secondary. This is a kind of electrochemical cells in which chemical energy is directly converted into electricity. Now let us discuss about construction of primary and secondary batteries. Primary batteries. The example is lithium primary battery with solid cathode, that is LiMnO2. At anode lithium metal and at cathode MnO2 solid. The electrolyte in this construction is lithium boron tetrafluoride, that is LiBF4 in propylene carbonate. Cell reactions at anode and cathode. In anode, the metal is lithium, so Li gives rise to Li plus electron minus. At cathode reduction, MnO2 plus electron gives rise to MnO2. The net reaction is Li plus MnO2 gives rise to LiMnO2 plus 3.0 volts. The application of these coin types of cells are used in watches and calculators. Cylindrical cells are used in cameras. And the second examples of primary cell is lithium primary cells with liquid cathode. Before we discussed solid cathode, now we discussed about liquid cathode. Anode is lithium metal and cathode is SOCl2. Electrolyte in this construction is thiloxene chloride SOCl2. At anode, 4Li gives rise to 4Li plus 4 electrons. At cathode, 2 SOCl2 plus 4 electrons gives rise to S plus SO2 plus 4 Cl minus. The net reaction is 4 lithium plus 2 SOCl2 plus gives rise to 4 LiCl plus sulfur plus SO2 plus 3.3 minus 3.5 volts. The applications of these military and space applications using neutro and supplying fixed voltage for memory production. The examples of secondary cell is lead acid battery. Anode is lead and cathode is PbO2. Electrolyte is H2SO4 at 38%. Discharge mechanisms is at anode Pb plus SO4 minus 2 gives rise to PbSO4 plus 2 electrons. This can be reversible. At cathode, PbO2 plus H2SO4 plus 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise to PbSO4 plus 2H2O. The net reaction is Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4 gives rise to 2PbSO4 plus 2H2O. The applications is it is used for automobiles, laboratories, hospitals, telephone exchanges. And the next example is nickel cadmium battery. Anode is cadmium, cathode is nickel NiOH. Electrolyte is 5 molarity of KOH aqueous solution. At anode, cadmium plus 2OH minus gives rise to cadmium OH twice plus 2 electrons. At cathode reaction, 2 NiOH plus 2 H2O plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2 NiOH twice plus 2 H2O. The net reaction is cadmium plus 2 NiOH gives rise to cadmium OH twice plus 2 NiOH twice. The applications of these cells is nickel cadmium battery is used for aircrafts and space satellites, medical instruments, and in emergency lighting, electronic calculators, and electronic flash units. Thank you.